Hey guys, I wanted to go through this video actually on my phone so I can share where you find your stories, just in case you don't know. That's plus sign to the left is where you do it, and this will pop up. Now the camera will pop up either again away from you or towards your face. I suggest filters. You can use whichever filters. That's the one I normally use, but you can use whatever you want. This is a new one. You could say I detect there's something really cool in the next slide, and use the detective magnifying glass to do that. Here's one that I used before too, where you can type in the words you want that will go across the glasses screen. So you could say see you in the next slide in this one. And when you finish, you just click the little check mark there, and the glasses will say see you in the next slide. And then you have to record what it is that you're going to be saying. So if you said, hey, I got some cool stuff for you, I want you to check it out, see you in the next slide or whatever, you can do that. So it's really cool to use the filters. You don't have to. You can use your straight face. You don't have to use filters at all. You don't have to use your face at all. Guys, I'm just giving you options in this video. You do what you're comfortable with. You can. There are apps. There's an app called Go Record. You'll find it in your app store. Get that, and it's a free app. So when you use it, I might make a video of how to use it. But when you use it, you have to go through a commercial in order to use the actual recording part, because you make a recording on your phone using your phone recorder, but in order to put the words, like how I'm putting words to this video on here, then it's a little, you have to do that separately. It doesn't do it simultaneously, so it's just two separate actions you have to do. But here I'm just going on my notes on my phone, and I just write out what I'm going to talk about. And you can talk about anything, guys, anything you want from A to Z. It could just be about your getting over your own fears. It could be about, you deciding to do something different this year and not depending on the government to take care of you. That the world, the way the state of the world right now is unpredictable. It could be unpredictable things make your life predictable. And you could talk about the Dash app, because you know that this is something that you're going after, and you want to start doing something. Talk about the risks involved. Say, hey, there's a lot of risks in life. I want to share with you one thing that was risk free for me. And then you go into the next slide and talk about Dash. Talk about, how it's not risky because, you're not really spending any money, yet you're in a position to make money without ever having to pull out your wallet. Things like that. Plus you get cash back on everyday things that you do every single day. So it could be anything that you think of. If you have any problems coming up with content, just reach out to me. I'm like, my mind just thinks that way, so I can think of something for you. But any of the suggestions that I made on this video, you can do. All right, so I'll see you in the next slide where I go over the scripts after somebody sees your story. See you then.